angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lucy, thanks for being here, and if you're not new and you've watched my other videos, then love you for coming back. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 tips on how to keep your makeup looking on fleek under your mask. Yes, a challenge, but I believe I'm up to it. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say a massive OMG and thank you to a jewellery brand called Ana. So you may have seen them on Instagram, they have got a lot of followers and I'm obsessed with their jewellery. Anyway, they reached out to me and sent me some pieces to show you guys and to give you a discount code, so I am super excited. So let's take a look at them. So it comes in this gorgeous little box that says smaller packaging, less waste. So Ana are really about sustainability and being carbon neutral, and I absolutely love that. So they let me pick 3 pieces, which I cannot believe. So the first piece I picked was a necklace. It comes in these gorgeous little pouches. The necklace I picked, they released with another YouTuber called Yusuf, which you can see on this gorgeous little package. I'm going to show you the necklace up close now. So Yusuf's message is all about being yourself, which I absolutely love. And this necklace actually says be you on it. It's super simple, super gorgeous, gold chain, really minimal, and I absolutely love it. How beautiful and simple. And here's the little be you message. How cute and dainty is that? Another cute little package. How gorgeous is this? I'm obsessed. And then finally some earrings, which I love. These are a little star and a little moon, and that is so my vibe right now. I love that they don't match as well. I'm gonna pop these on now to show you what they look like. Okie dokie, here we go. So I put the necklace on a really short setting just above my jumper, which I think looks super cute. And then here's the bracelet, which is so dainty and gorgeous. I absolutely love that about all of this jewellery. And then here's the little earrings, which I just absolutely love that they don't match. Like, I think it's such a fun quirk, and moon and stars is really like a vibe I'm going for at the moment. On top of the fact that it's absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like it can really be taken from day to night. The jewellery is made with clean, low impact recycled materials and made in really small batches to avoid waste. So I love the message behind it. I love the stuff, and I'm just so grateful that they sent it to me. And they've given you a discount code, yay! So I'm gonna pop that and a link in the description box of this video, so make sure you go and check them out. Now, getting into today's video, my 5 top tips for how to keep your makeup in place when you're wearing a mask. Such a 2020 vibe. Like, when would I ever have filmed a video about how to keep your makeup in place with a mask? Like, whatever. Tip number 1 is a primer. So there are loads of different primers on the market. There's primers for oily skin, dry skin, large pores, wrinkles, you name it, there's a primer. There are also primers for holding your makeup in place specifically. Like, that is their goal, and that is what we're going to look for. I'm going to put some links in the description box of my favourite primers to hold your makeup in place, but feel free to let me know if you have faves as well in the comments. But a primer that's designed to hold your makeup in place is really what we're looking for right now, because if we've got a mask going over our face that's trying to mess up our vibe, mess up our makeup, we need a primer that's going to be like, honey, no, I'm here. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is matte long wearing makeup. There will be a lot of people watching this like, what? I love my dewy look. I know you love your dewy look, and I know dewy foundation can look fantastic, but not today. We are going 2000s Dream Matte Mousse vibes. We want to be mattified AF. We want the material to touch our face and our face be like, ooh, I'm matte and dry. There's no dew here. There's no movement. I'm not going anywhere. Thank you. So that can be with your foundation. You want a long wearing matte foundation. It can also be your lipstick. So right now I've got a matte liquid lip on. It's Huda Beauty, which is my favorite. I'm going to be putting all these links in the description box, so don't you worry. But literally this lipstick, Huda Beauty, kiss, absolutely nothing comes off, and that is what we want. We want the material to touch our face and our makeup be like, well, I'm not moving, hun. So tip number 2, matte long wearing makeup, foundation, lipstick, you name it, we need it. Tip number 3 is setting powder. So my favorite is Too Faced. I, again, will put a link in the description box below, but you might have other favorite setting powders that you love, so stick with what you love. But a setting powder, we're going again kind of with tip 2 with the matte vibes. We want to be powdering over our foundation with a setting powder so that it is dry, not dewy, set in place. You get the vibe of this video. I'm basically saying we need to set our makeup in a million different ways. Tip number 4, the last tip of the setting vibes is setting spray. So my favorite setting spray ever is Urban Decay All Nighter. You get the gist, I'll put the link. Anyway, setting spray goes on last when you finish your makeup completely, and the aim is to hold your makeup exactly as is. There are loads on the market, and basically once you're finished, you just spray your face with these setting sprays and it locks your makeup in place. So we have now done everything. We have used a primer designed to hold our makeup in place. We have used matte, long-wearing makeup. We have set with a powder. We have set with a setting spray. We are set to go against the world with this face of makeup, and it should not move. But I have got one final tip for you in case it does move. This final tip, I'm so excited about. I don't know anyone that knows about these right now. Like, I've told my friends about these and they were all like, what on earth? Yes, it might make you look a bit weird, but for the sake of makeup, I'm living with it. It is called a mask bracket. Have you heard of it? If not, how much do you love me right now? So I got 3 for £6 on Amazon, and this is what it looks like. I had that upside down, so it kind of looks like a dog muzzle or something. But basically what we're going to be doing is putting this over our makeup like this, and it literally holds the mask away from your face, so it is not going to be rubbing on our face. The only part that's going to be rubbing on our face is this section, but do not worry. Back to the setting powder I was on about before. I'm just taking a bit of setting powder in the lid, dabbing a brush into the setting powder like this. Then on the back of my mask bracket, I'm putting setting powder all the way around that to make sure that whatever's touching my face is makeupified. So now that's got powder all over it, I'm going to put this against my face, so it is literally just over my nose, and then I'm going to take my mask. It is reusable, washable one from Vistaprint. I will put a link below. How many times can I say that in this video? Because I'm obsessed with this mask. It comes with these like filter things that you put in there, and it's washable and reusable and super cute. So I'm putting the mask bracket against my face, then I'm going to put my mask over the top, and you'll see the mask is literally held away from my face. It's not touching against my lipstick and getting all lipstick inside my mask. It's not touching against my foundation. It is lifted away. I can literally breathe in and out, and usually the mask goes right into my mouth and then right away. This is just lifting it completely away from my face. It feels so much more comfortable. I'm going to take this off. Ooh, so much more comfortable, so much more breathable. It's not touching my makeup anywhere near as much as usual. I've powdered around it so you can literally just dab that off when you get off the tube, out of work, whatever your vibe, and makeup is still perfectly in place. That mask bracket is a godsend. I feel like a genius when I discovered it on Amazon. Everybody needs to buy them. So those are my top 5 tips, hun. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video and you now feel like your makeup is staying way more on fleek, even under your mask. Anyway, angels, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you are loving my new jewelry as much as me. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa using my link and discount code in the description box. And I love you so much. See you soon. Bye.